Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 23rd of December, which means that Christmas is almost here. Let's jump right into the Lookfantastic box and open door number 23. I honestly have no idea what this little tube is going to be anymore. I feel like Lookfantastic have covered all bases so far. Wow. I have no idea. It's another French name. If this video series is anything to go off, I have no idea how to pronounce things in French. Philorga Laboratories Paris Miso Mask Smoothing Radiance Mask. This is tiny. I think this might be the smallest sample we've received in this box so far, so I hate to think how much this retail price is, because this sounds very fancy. On the back is in everything but English, so I have no idea what this is. And that smells very perfumey. It feels very nice though, very creamy to apply. And to be fair, a little bit does go a very long way. I mean, I say it smells perfumey, but now it's out of the bottle, I don't really smell anything. It smells kind of plasticky, if anything. So because I have not much of a clue what this is, I'm going to read the information booklet for door number 23. The Miso Mask. Improve the appearance of skin with this anti-wrinkle lightening face mask that enhances skin's natural radiance. Apply generously to the face, eye contour, neck, décolletage, leave for 15 minutes to 30 minutes, then remove using damp cotton wool. Apply generously to the face, the eye contour, so all around here, the eye contour, the neck and décolletage, all around here, in this tiny little bottle. I have to say, I am a little bit disappointed with this little sample of face mask. Like, you get the tiniest sample out of this. This is meant to go all over the face, the under eye of the contour area, down the neck and on the décolletage area. Girl, how? I'm trying not to be petty. I think this is the first like big disappointment I've had with this box. All of the other packages on the back of the product seem to have like a brief descriptor of what the product is intending to do and what it does for your skin or your hair or what the directions are, and this just says nothing. It's all in French, Turkish, German, Polish, I think that is, maybe even some Russian. I honestly just don't get this product. Pop back again tomorrow to see door number 24 get opened for Christmas Eve. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. You have made it this far in this series and I am so grateful that you have put up with me for 23 days. I hope that you all have a fantastic evening and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.